Pinch. She put a pinch of salt on her food. Sift. Sift the flour finely before adding it to the mixture. Break. She is breaking an egg into a bowl. Knead. I knead the dough for the bread. Melt. The ice cream is melting. Peel. I've to peel a carrot for cooking. Roll out. Roll out a dough again. Spread. Please spread some butter on the slice of bread. Fry. She is frying a fish for dinner. Drain. I drain the pasta then I share it out between 2 plates. Pour. I'm pouring the yogurt into the bowl. Mix. Mix the flour with some eggs. Mash. She is mashing the potatoes. Chop. I need to chop a cucumber for salad. Squeeze. Can you squeeze the lemon into the glass of water? Slice. Would you like another slice of pizza? Grate. Grate the ginger into the plate. Sort. Sort the vegetables for 2 minutes. Boil. The water is boiling. Steam. The kettle was steaming on the stove. Grill. Grill the fish for 5 minutes on each side. Roast. Chicken is roasted for dinner. Blend. Blend all the bananas with milk. Bake. We are baking bread in the oven. Add more milk in the dough. Stir. Stir the risotto constantly to prevent it from sticking. Layer. Layer the lasagna sheets with the meat sauce and cheese. Whip. Whip the cream until it forms stiff peaks. Taste. She is tasting the soup. Cut. Cut the carrots into equal-sized slices.